school year 2024 to 2025, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position that I have clearly understood, and I will abide with the guidelines governing the school student council, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Okay, so palakpakan po natin yung ating mga school student council. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat po.